This is going to be a family size apple crumble. I've peeled the apples. I'm going to cut them and take the core out the middle. A little core and knife. I'm going to chop these bits up first because put these into the pan. I'm going to simmer them for a couple of minutes just to soften them a little bit, because I don't like my apples going raw straight into the dish. And that's them peeled and chopped. A little drop of water, just a small amount to start the juice going. And for a family size apple crumble, I'm going to do 5 ounces of flour. I still work in ounces, so anyone watching this video will have to work ounces out into grams, because I'm not very good at that. My age, I grew up with ounces, and I'm afraid I'll stay with that that measurement till the day I die. So I'll switch on the scales. That's 5 ounces through the sieve. Get my salt. And into that I'm going to put a pinch of salt. That's all you need, a pinch. And now for the margarine. I want 3 ounces of margarine. Three, 2, 26. That's 3 ounces of margarine. That onto there. Get rid of that, I don't need it. And now I'm going to use, the last time I made this I used white sugar, but I'm using Demerara sugar this time because I've got this packet in my cupboard and I forgot it was there, so I think I should use it up, and it'll make it a little bit more crumbly, being slightly thicker greens than the white sugar. So I want 3 ounces of Demerara sugar. Three 0.1, slightly over. Don't want more sugar than you need. And that's the sugar ready for. I don't need the scales anymore. So I like to chop the margarine up before I start mixing it in. Make it into smaller pieces, it's easier to and quicker to get it worked in. I think I've chopped it up enough with the knife. I'm going to use my hands, my fingers now to mix the rest in. Give it a shake to bring the lumps up to the surface. It's starting to get crumbly now. Don't want to mix it too long or it'll end up like pastry. I think I should have rolled my sleeves up. I might be getting in the way here. Never mind. I think that's done. Now, onto that you add the sugar. Just mix it well in. You don't want to rub it because it'll end up like pastry. You just keep mixing it round and it's like a crumb. And that's the apple nicely softened, just the way I like it. And a little bit juice in there from the apple. You don't want too much because it'll run out onto the sides of the dish. So I've got my dish here for to put the crumble into. And that was 5 eaten apples, and there's quite good size eaten apples that I used for this dish. I prefer eaten apples because you don't have to add any sugar to them, because with them being sweet, adding sugar would make them too sweet. But I find if I use cooking apples, I've got to use a hell of a lot of sugar to get them really sweet. And I don't like a lot of sugar in everything, so that does for that. I got a large tablespoon and put this crumble onto the dish. I think it'll probably take it all. This is a different dish to what I used to use years ago when I had all my kids here, but I'm doing this for my granddaughter and taking it down to her house today when I go down. But it'll be the adults that's eating it because her kids aren't very keen on this sort of thing. Don't know what's good for them. I like to just remove the surface a bit so it doesn't look so smooth and like you flattened it down with a spoon like you have. And now for the oven. Set my oven to, this phone makes things a bit blurry, 180. It's going into the middle tray. That can take up to 30 minutes. And that's my crumble out the oven. That took 30 minutes. It's nice golden brown. Sometimes I do a small one just for myself, and that only takes about 20 minutes because it's a smaller dish and the crumble's not usually as thick. But when you do one this size, you need a little bit longer to make sure the crumble's cooked. So anybody watching this video, if you like it, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll show you more when I get round to doing more.